Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 2 power 20 minus 25 is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. So 2 power 20 we can write it as 2 power 2 times 10 minus 25 we can write it as 5 square. So according to exponent rule x power mn we can write it as x power m power n. So here 2 power 10 power 2 minus 5 square. So 2 power 10 is 1024 whole square minus 5 square. So here I am going to use a very famous identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b, where a is 1024 and b is 5. So 1024 plus 5 times 1024 minus 5. When we add 5, 1029 times 1019. So 1029 can break it as 1000 plus 29. Similarly, 1019 as 1000 plus 19. Now we'll do multiplication, 1000 with the other bracket and then 29 with the other bracket. So 1000 times 1000 is 1000 square plus 1000 times 19 plus 1000 times 29 plus 29 times 19. 1000 square is 1000,000 plus 19,000 plus 29,000 plus 29 times 19 is 551. So 1,000,000 plus 48,000 plus 551. Then we add all these terms, 1048,551. So this is our final answer. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.